Hello guys, welcome again to our technical analysis for Bitcoin. This is the 4-hour chart. Okay, first of all, remember last time I said I am expecting a pullback here around $40,000, $39,000 around there. Well, not exact. Now, as you can see here, we see this. We can see now the move is happening to the upside, right? Yeah, because we are expecting something like this. Okay, the question is if I'm gonna buy here. Of course not. Actually, I closed my position here because I was in a short-term trade. For our chart close, I will never buy here. And let me be clear, I am expecting a pullback here, maybe between $41,000 to $40,000, 600 around there. From here is just to the upside, no short, nothing like that. Also, I have bear divergence here forming. This weekend we will see the pullback this weekend, something like this we will see it. So I am expecting this pullback for 4-hour chart. Now, don't get me wrong, not because I can see 4-hour chart is gonna have a pullback maybe this weekend. Well, this is bullish. As I said before, I think 2 weeks ago I said, okay, this is like this, okay? So the direction is the same. So this is gonna break, and the target for this is $44,000 in the short term. But in the long term, I'm expecting $49,000, $50,000 to $47,000. Let me be clear, as long Bitcoin is below this area, let me mark this, this area, I am on macro bullish. This could be just a bounce here to test here, and you will see potentially a bull trap here in macro time frames. I wanna see reversal in macro time frames. Yes, how? Bitcoin must break $47,000, 49, like this, something like this, and here in this point, okay, we can start talking about it. Okay, so but we are still in the process. So well, very constructive right now. Bitcoin actually is doing very good. As you can see here, we are reaching $42,000 is the resistance right now here. So pullback weekend, yes, actually that is my expectation right now. Now let's talk about the macro time frames. 5-day chart, we have a close yesterday. So the body of the candle is closing above the MA100 and is between the MA21 and MA100. So that means I'm expecting this pullback and sideways here, as you can see here. And after that, next week maybe you will see the test between $44,000, $47,000 is going to be there, as you can see here. Macro time frames, $50,000, 47 is going to be the macro area. As long Bitcoin is not above there, I am not macro bullish. Okay, so we are playing just the bounce. I mean, I am expecting something like this, and that's it. Now, according to the weekly chart, potentially we could see higher prices. Yes, of course, but it will take time. So the second one, I am gonna start if $47,000 breaks. I think it will take time. I'm expecting around maybe $55,000, $56,000 is gonna be the highest point I am expecting Bitcoin for all this year. Actually, yeah, I am not expecting new highs because monthly for me is very clear. So this is the biggest area, and potential bull trap in the first place, and the second one is, and the more risky is gonna be the 55 level. But let me tell you something, if you are trapped here, around $60,000 or in this area, you will have maybe the last chance to get out of the market, because Bitcoin, in my personal opinion, as I said, maybe I can be super wrong in this, but for me is something doing this like ABC correction, and that you will see your capitulation candle. And my target is still around below in mid-20s. Actually, the lowest point is around $14,000. That is the target I am looking for in the long term, of course. Why? Because monthly is very clear for me. We have better divergences here in monthly chart. As you can see here, the DX is getting negative, and this is bounce on the MA21. But historically speaking, the MA21 is not very good. Actually, it's not supporting very good the price in the long term. So maybe just this a bounce. As I said, actually the monthly is very clear. Monthly must close about 44, and you will see continuation next month around 40, 49, $50,000 maximum, and from there you will see a macro pullback. Yeah, so weekly chart, 5-day chart is looking very interesting right now. Accumulation you see here, but this is the thing. Next month you will see the test of the MA55 in this level. So potentially, if this is a fake out, actually we will see a nasty correction here. So be careful, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.